Hi, amazing people, you're welcome back to this YouTube channel. So, have you ever struggled with lumpy kokonte or cassava flour? Well, not anymore. In today's video, I'll be showing you the best way to make your kokonte with no single lump. Here we have our cassava flour, which is also called kokonte. I'll go ahead and transfer some into the pot. Then I'll add some water and mix very well until there are no lumps in it. So I'll be adding the water gradually until it reaches the consistency that we want. We want a consistency that is not very thick and not also too light. Once that is done, the next thing is to place it on fire and then stir gradually until it begins to thicken. When you take a closer look, you can see that the thickening process has begun already. So at this point, we need to stir it in this manner to make sure that there are no lumps. So at this point, we'll add a little water and cover and allow to boil for some time. Then we'll come back and continue with the stirring. So now that it's boiling, we'll continue stirring until it is ready. You know the kokonte is ready when you dip your fingers inside and it doesn't stick to your fingers. Can you see that already? The kokonte looks so smooth and soft, just the perfect way you want it to be with no lumps. Once it is ready, we go ahead and then we serve. Just look at that, it looks so smooth. Then after serving, you can go ahead and enjoy with any soup of your choice. We enjoyed ours with some light soup. Thank you so much for watching. If this video has been helpful to you, kindly click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also press the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video, and please do not forget to leave a comment down below in the comment section. Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye.